Meanwhile, Big Dog Ranch Rescue in Loxahatchee Groves is also sending supplies to the West Coast.
And some pets may have been left behind with no way to escape.
Channel 5's T.A. Walker shining a light on their efforts.
Thousands of dollars worth of items are going to be sent directly to help those in need.
We are off to Fort Myers to a devastated shelter, Gulf Coast Humane, to pick up their dogs. They have no power, no water. Their shelter was flooded. Really sad, 9 years old, owner surrendered. Animal shelters all over the area that was affected. They have nothing, no way to get anything, and we're here to help them. Okay. He's taking stuff to Naples for me. It all works out. Everybody helping everybody. How many employees are without housing?
8 to 10 are living in their cars right now. So we've triaged everybody's needs, and we've already allocating space to them in a temporary housing we're setting up on site.
There aren't any pet stores open over here, no way to get supplies, so that way they can have a way to feed their animals.